Hey, Choro-Q race car fans, we got an old classic Choro-Q of an old classic Porsche 906 race car. Got this used, of course, no original packaging. Let's take a look here. Come on. Alright. Not the most beautiful Porsche in my opinion, but yeah, you have to have this to get to the better looking cars. Apparently some of these are sold and they're street legal. This was an earlier time. So, how old is this guy, this Choro-Q? Bottom here says 1985. Okay. Carrera 6, number 69. Alright, so screw in the back, front and a tab in the back as usual. And these older Choro-Qs, 85 and before, they have these funky tires, you know, with weird tread blocks. And then the Q and Q and the aspect ratio. So they're kind of nice, but oh, look at this one. What happened here? I don't know if there's like glue. Yeah, that tire's messed up. I'm wondering. Oh, it's also very hard. I was trying to see if I could flip it around, but it's so hard. I think it might be on the edge of cracking, and on the inside tire there's no printing either, so that's as good as it's gonna get. So that's unfortunate. There's a bunch of paint missing here from the wheel, or actually I don't think there's paint there at all. It's just goop. This is like that swirly silver plastic, that wheel. You just see it right in the middle. So I don't know what this darker color is. There's some sort of glue residue or something. I don't know. It looks like I'm peeling paint off the wheel rim, right? Well, I better leave it alone. It's just gonna get worse. So here we have the base of this metallic silver, so that's part of this side here. And that's actually accurate to the real car. Some really tiny faint lines here indicating these brake ducts, I think, or maybe they're fog lights. And then, yeah, sadly, those are the headlight covers, but no one, you know, they're not clear. A vent here. This is literally a sticker. And then, yeah, the canopy isn't painted. So that would have been nice, but that's a green motor. I don't think I've ever seen a green motor from Choro-Q. And it's like a amber kind of glass color. And nice little little engine details are kind of interesting to see. No paint though. Then we have the sticker here, and then no paint again on the tail lights. So a lot of details missing, but this is from 1985. So, and casting wise, it does look cool. It's just that I really wish they added more paint, you know, to make it look even better. But I'm gonna guess these things weren't expensive back then. Not many people were collecting these outside of Japan, I bet. But it definitely must be officially licensed. So, okay, well, let's take a closer look at some other classic Choros, or actually race cars Choro-Qs. These are like prototype racing cars here. This Ford GT40, and I added some paint into the wheels there. Then ChoroQ Zero has this nice cool Ferrari 250 GTO. Look at all the paint apps they've gone and added here. The wheels I added black paint though, but I'm talking on the body, right? And they paint the tail lights and stuff. So some advancements for sure in ChoroQ Zeros, but also a big hike in price. Alright, I have this other Porsche though. No, this is a Mercedes, never mind. That's a Mercedes LMP car. Here's an Audi LMP car. So those are all Choro-Qs. Let's pull out some other Porsches actually. So here's a different brand called CA-Art or something. And it's a 996 based on the ugly headlights. I do have this Choro-Q of the 956 LMP car. printed on windshield wiper there. I have a 924 turbo, and I have some Hot Wheel Real Riders I swapped over on that one. And I guess the last one today is another 996, but by Choro-Q, not this cart thing. And it's got translucent yellow headlights. So I think that's kind of neat. Okay, let's get this spinning on its own. I don't know why these spinners, they take a while to get started, but alright. I guess I need a cartoon character here. Where's my racing character? Alright, I found it. This is a ResinWorks 3D printed figure, pre-painted and all that stuff. Not sure if you can still buy them or not. Alright, well, yeah, another classic ChoroQ. I don't modify these things. They're just so old. I feel like it might be sacrilege. And, well, no, I'm not going to modify this. Appreciate you guys watching today, and I'll see you in the next Porsche video. Bye.